Ya na nyeba chapo vidam na ma chapo gbaglava vidama na devia na be yava gara puma a chororimo na rorimo chumula anu gbam chumiamu la domanchi ta akpe adumu la chapo to akparugo janyu na mi pe kakam anu la kafuram na nyeba la yavuro taimi la duyamaro na nyeba oto kpana na ma yemo rego jepi a afuram ifi anya bo rego jepi na rodalaw ikeba no rofima ota hero ajago bobu na dona kpundu no mo rego jepi na rodalaw ta na ba na nyeba rodaro daro utara na ma uno fukpa avo manya magarasie machine le kwaga adaro ataretel ta na ba fukpa la miagbo mo edum na mi pe ga ka fukpa li ye boys akpaga to la do ma ha no nyu alo wo me no jagba no oji do na o kata wo na do ma na anu na mi kata akpa na mi ma na ira mi
dema hene pa ni wa bomazelo tumina wa cheche metuma chai amo akakasa na ahoro we bie da ebati za automorka na za autom no ba se bada so papa ne mom za wetum aka chi biara e bohwe ne ho asam etum na ya aka am the za automor ho sisiare se dasi all right. Because Supreme Court what the ones and some baba to Gwen, Messabo go for P, no one to march on that after the mess of you, that can pop to my floor to my airport, and now super there. Say, what trouble for him and pay for back. I probably to my for that, what to know walk with him. The member nature there, court, or the oil noon, something to our toilet. Once I want to go to Woodman, no one said it was that. Messabo go for him when someone will do it.
We expect our colleagues on the other side, including Mr. Speaker, to respect the outcome of this case so that we move on as a nation. All we have is the peace of the country. All we have is our democracy. And in West Africa and in Africa as a whole, Ghana shines in the eyes of the people in terms of democracy. So this is another feat we have achieved.
The Speaker of Parliament is supposed to be the custodian, of the Constitution. Constitution. This man decides that he would not respect the Constitution. Not only that, he would not respect the apex court of the land. It's outlandish. I haven't seen anything like that in my life.
So what do you expect should happen now?
So that is what somebody is saying. What do I have against Babin? My very good friend. Everybody accepts. I mean, he's a class prefect. You all know that. But the point is that I do not agree that a person of his caliber.
On the Zuma summit, we are not coming to the house to do anything now because we are busy with our elections and our constituencies. Even when the speaker calls us, we have the right to say we will not report. Because by the timetable of Parliament, we're supposed to go on recess.
If the minority men
Johnson JSC and Amadou Tanko JSC dissenting on the issue of jurisdiction, the plaintiff's action succeeds. The full reasons and orders of the court shall be filed with the registrar by close of day tomorrow, 13th November 2024. This is a judgment.
the law is that the Supreme Court can always differ from its earlier decision. That is the danger. So for a purpose, I can give a judgment and ruling to favor the situation. Tomorrow, I say, no, I disagree with that, and that is permitted by law. So when you tell me that, it means that the Supreme Court is supreme, and so when it orders, I must obey. When I know the same Supreme Court can.
Ghana, I believe in Ghana. With what is going on in Parliament, it's not good for the country. I have advised my colleagues from the other side that look, assuming you win the incoming election, would you get 2/3 of Parliament to take decisions? And they all said no. So I said, well, if you are saying that Professor Michael Quinn set a precedence and you are using that to take a position as you have done, then what happens if you win election and you don't get 2/3? Do you expect MPP also to help for us to rule this country? That is my fear for Ghana. Whatever is going on, if we don't put an end to it and we politicize issues, Ghana, I'm telling you, in 2025, you will see worse things in Parliament. Because whoever wins and whoever loses will not cooperate. Then what will be the fate of our country? That is my major concern. Of late, I have not been speaking, but it's absurd to see grown-ups, members of Parliament, behaving the way we are behaving. It's simple. For peace sake, how many weeks left for the country to go through all what is going through? Don't think it's only MPP. It's Ghana going through these challenges. The way things are going, I believe that next month is going to be Christmas, and workers are not even going to have their salary because Parliament we have to approve. So media, I decided not to talk, but what I saw at the conference center when I was coming, I've been treating you, I'm pleading with you to be very objective. You see, taking entrenched position to support a political party will not help this country. And if you know the power of the media, if you do your work well, the respect you earn, I'm begging you, you are jeopardizing your positions in society because of the way some of you politicize issues, and it won't help this country. We all want to move forward. I personally don't care whoever wins, so long as we have a peaceful country that you can breathe. I've been to war-torn countries and I know the sufferings some people are going through. That is why I don't preach for war. If not, I would have also encouraged whatever going on. I want to be the fate of the country. Today I shouted at my young man because he asked me a question, why are you running away? How can I run away? Let me tell you what actually happened this morning, which the leader did not address. You saw me going to I even entered the chamber. We were at the caucus meeting. So we took a decision that, look, Ken, go with the leadership, engage the speaker and the NDC people. Then we go in because we heard they are sitting on our side, which is the right-hand side of the speaker. So go and engage the speaker. Unfortunately, when we got there, they were sitting. That is why we returned. Not that I was running away. And we couldn't stop the proceedings. So it's not deliberate that MPP refused. We needed to engage the speaker. I'm not the leadership. I'm not one of them. But they respect my opinion. And I know speaker is my friend. Before I even came to parliament, he was my company lawyer. So I give him that respect.
The men son and myself of people what was out to grab. Here, claims I keep in our GJ Finfilmantuma on near John Boydu, Mr. Nana Boydu, Anne General Secretary Azuma GJ Central Region. Action 7 there and some church man or Sonko into winter shame will be there or on the sort of my Sonko. Neither a Sora and the Bibiara and the kitchen to Madrid, and neither that quiet press conference and Anna de Biara or to Domofu. Dog wasn't if you go to Moses and you crapple over the baby in a deep little quayer or telephone was on the sun call, no cocaine.
Compare at this particular time, now young central for being a pound more fast or dress ya. Na eye happy ni na aka ho na eba mo sa man from pofi says from judgment lampo I so be atuni na there's a reason uko journalism school no ko tete bia na wo mo kire say you dress accordingly untumi mbo tie de bia untumi nhye suit de bia untumi nhye fugu de bia untumi so nhye unsunsun ye wo basa enko be bia ne etene say bibia wo ko ena say wo hwe ho dress. Most of the time you have to dress decently, and decently to say who champagne for who call ni pim who snap TV so obi nti senior lawyer ni kwa wa hye ni suit wa hye ni yi na ode call ma edwuma no eye decent eye a condom and bam sa na e wo so de ne ye ba yen de no unique eye ne say untumi so nkan chem say me koye edwuma wo mpo ano me mbotai me nya afarefo me ni afarefo kwa kodi nkomo me mbotai na me nya afarefo me ni kodi na ho untumi nkan chem say me kuekure bi ase me ni ekuafo bi ekodi nkomo akoye hwehwem bi akoye yi untumi nkan chem say me mbotai me red tie na me suit me ni ekuafo nkodi nkomo any difference a wo yan die mu ba ni aya ema ne ye ya kakra wo yan sai say ne ehuma wo so bi wo conference bi ase conference a wo share ministers wo share pinifo akase na wo behwe ye ngo free bi o she t-shirt bi a ne kon ne yiyi na bi basa ni na aka ho na amanfo wo hu ye adwuma no akondo a eye ko ye start ye no na ntisa ntumi nhye bibia wo kwa wa jesse minim say me conference I'm going to meet ministers. People are going to share on exam and Zoom that I am sharing one kind of dressing. And she said, "We need him pa call higher tire and now baby." But now who will be on what to so come on? Why and come on? Why shall one why you be a come on? And you won't be matching because you are also at their level at that time. It is a conference. I one more year it was Bejai. Ana region ya ana whatever na wa share jeans pias obi one jeans bi aba one to twetwe na coffee me pon na ne pants it doesn't befit you as a journalist but today they are all in as journalists. It's almost become like seven or they but the dressing is part of it and man for one respect and the way of saying what respect na in can no any dia no what the adwuma no ambassador. So that is the difference. In fact me between ko baby me hu kofu when you will mention that I'm so do you think this is okay? Look at the people you what's you are supposed to meet the minister abisal questions on behalf of your people. Now when that dress is keeping out the confidence is not there. But know where you are going in the kind of dressing.
The main General Secretary John Nana Boydu ultimately to grab. Okona ye was so there. Jumeti biara ambra wo. Nti some chapel so ambra wo to juma. Nti oda ye bomo na fitu ni zembra na hye biara do. Ana wo me tu na ya ko hine wa hine mejeje.
What's happened to us in our profession and in society in general? Social media has been the best that has happened, one of the best that have happened to us. But of course, it comes with many challenge. It comes with so many challenge. A juma bia a muhia papa. Say me can nka ye na ye pe heaven upon. Say a juma papa ba say you may be in heaven, create juma ba kon betuma wo heaven. Yes, and trade juma. Because Yankopon obeso ma command be wo heaven no far. Obey yank of do one information say hey me ba heaven no for nti mo sese mo twem. Obese oko heaven south obey ni na yes and trade juma bia. Nti se na ye di kankan nse juma no ye juma ye bodewuro ye church amanfo nya air course na ye sese wo mu hu na information ya so say dem on ye dem on wo special covid by education ahoro wa e wo say ye ni information ahoro wa e wo say ni penya na ye de boye ho ban no ni na na ya de na eda nsɛmtwerɛfo pon so because ye ne nipa na edi nkita ho. We are the middleman between the authorities and the ordinary one. So opportunity obi nya on probably Jameson or Kasa. So on beside the question be say Ghana food now one questions are one of you want to mean Jameson when in the number. And so Yamia the more and central and to new opportunity in the couple who could say who could be sad and for person or what's now what they are. You are like a link. My voice is say a month for a year then more disqualify Madam the late Madam Ecuador course ne representative. But what teaching until we through us a month for information. Now your church or so you say woman. Now any quansi woman. Now there was a woman here said they are in Puntu, everybody cabra boom. And of course, society. In here, any look at or come say entertainment. So come, you can't live without entertainment. Until born John near Nina.
The man saying no general secretary, other DJ Finfimatum automotive to go. Yenda you camera, ye bazaki tibare, Mama was said to market. Yasa yamo akwa bibiem. Ya just bizarre. Robert Morgan Mesa ya oye women's contemporary wo oye Cape Coast Castle. Achin say me obi ya papa da ya ma from yetumi awo ne. Ya bo madan ya magana abakosi metum na ezizo hunu papa. Obobo mo tumi akwa akwa ne. Sende de biara obotum na wo hia abrofo ne ze.
Yo, Mudasi Bebre, Mizinani Robert Morgan Mensa, Moye Jumo Cape Coast Castle, Manda Education for Wanano. So I'm the head of education department.
Special from Ghana in history.
No kwanya mi asami de wo hia papa pa usene imbibi abasinu kono na da menyeme wonta nkyere ne ye dem nde otse no usene mo hu seji kra na omo oba ne dam na sesi azi ebi besene ya nyama de da no kwando first na nke watch transatlantic slave trader yenya akwenya yamba Forten Castles no yamba mbohwe na mom sesi teachers no awofuru nya wodon wa agim de obehia de baba ya bohwe ye na abakosam nti ohia papa pa de maframa no wo bobohwe
ehwe so anya history like what school no ehwa no kor no wo chere yen maframa anade odure bia na why de wa da ne bi nti ekono so
enyo ahasere mo tin de enwo de book one na yenyina yesua no kwesi bronyi na oze bran nti won wo chiro no dem oboboa onwon wobakata bona woye no do na sesi anyame in charge sisi ya bibifu amamo professor Akosua Pevia na nkoye head of department wo University of Ghana Legon history department na mpanyimfo FK Bua no na aze wa twotwo books a wa de ne zipifi a kire yende nyo imbibi abese no kona brofo no wozi yenya wa ha papa yezi ahofama ayemuye na feche yede na ezi kire oman na otua yen ko ya ne tisi ane zizi yen nyina obi bese yehu no kwanu efi bono na wobe ye anim nti no yen so ye kire yen ba wo schools ifie de obehia de oba abahwehwe wababa Cape Coast Castle Elmina Castle and the Fort and Castles over Ghana nya wa abahwe de we hu nsem a okrodo imbere bia abese no ko
Isonkuya no ko ne no che sem de abrafo da de sen baba that is saying to so what to you or that one I could show to the you know why castle when I because only if I'm not in up.
Young foreign castles now, you are especially more or and I believe you no or than states no on Koye Papa Aban or Shebi the order of CC ye and I hope no by being with my share also and history matter.
In your umbo lighters I did for to William the Mountain on Swayum now so Ghana Museums and Monument Board and Penyfo was in Yamegua Queen on Chelibia young with the Cape Coast Castle we paint on Chelibia all the fort and castles of Ghana no the man and Penyfo over when we see a ye Amawaya crab or hair and maybe Musu Waboshe Omobi.
The man is saying I want to know what to grab and say ye the BCC the ye may be also a tumna at the dinner queen papa and I can za. Ye kra abrofun wiza kufi wan kana kwara ntirai na emom obokon kozene wotum na wa ko oya murei
ehwe so anyen history like what she was school no ehwa no kor no work say yen bofama anade odure bia na why the wada ne bi nti ekono so
enyo ahya mo tin de enwo the book one na yenyina yesua no kwesi bro nyi na ozebran nti won watchro no demre obaboa onwon obakata bona woye no do na sesi anyame in charge sisi ya bibifu amamo professor Akosua Pevia na nkoye head of department wo University of Ghana Legon history department na mpanyimfo FK Bua no na aze wa twotwo books a wa de ne zipifi a kire yende nyo imbibi abese no kona brofo no wozi yenya wa ha papa yezi ahofama ayemuye na feche yede na ezi kire oman na otua yen ko ya ne tisi ane zizi yen nyina obi bese yehu no kwanu efi bono na wobe ye anim nti no yen so ye kire yen ba wo schools ifie de obehia de oba abahwehwe wababa Cape Coast Castle Elmina Castle and the Fort and Castles over Ghana nya wa abahwe de we hu nsem a okrodo imbere bia abese no ko
ya kwere bize kigina abatu commission mabeje mensa achensen woye da de wetin kan ni aya amayafo etum na ehia agente nsem December 7 abanu de zebiara etum eba akwando wotum no tonkon okweyi nti otun sefrai parties ina mo general secretary ho babishim na otwe oyankomo woye November 13 ababe esem tum chawon de oye da won shase with the first phase oye krata ebato aban achasa ko oye de kodokura ho na efi wotum no wo de abato no ncheni yara etum ne ezimu won shase with the oye finmantum mesra ansa no wo shase with the oye Greater Accra monaze na wotum na woto cry ani the first phase oye da wotum woto cry the man so na oye mo ozuwa finmantum and the mantum Savannah Upper West region also wotum wochado the man so na yamaboa oye ade o hinanyimi no so was a Ashanti region for the Ahafu Western North also was there with Butuna Akko Memina zo akamu biara so tumundo what chero the means na aya abetu ko se ma be mensa patum no order to ga answer le bako hene yimo wo ma enda yin yeba yeba aya amanaze Botswana aman payin foforo wotuma to aba ayin anna sisiara ogina oya simpido otumno oroso in na wagina to no oya aman payin abra we sori in ni yin doma wo krum ho pe fo tumo to nsafra won obagasa wo kira oya wonenje dedisi Botswana atumna enye oya aman payin yekete oya no sori in no sorry in abra wotum na wagina atum no sorry in sama otum no aka
I Juma Gideon Boko do swear that I will faithfully and diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the high office of the Republic of President of the Republic of Botswana.
The moment that
Jumia Boko abra oya sorry in wie no domi binima oba e ogun yoba foto dumete no awso kire ho neje fa oya dana motupa sisiara ho ne se tuma aka
Order, New Africa, you can see democracies on the move in the region, on the continent.
It's a very historic day. I think it's a truly special, and I celebrate democracy. It's a new dawn from Botswana. Let's continue the work that we have been doing.
the EFF leader Julius Malema
Dame sami na dom wotum na wodi tugwa Botswana ma be fufu no so odere kasai tugwa
In part is unity, togetherness. We are the village that the future will look back to and either praise or look back in lamentation. Let's send our roaring voices into the future to be the wind beneath our sails. Let's carry those who came before us, those we have today, and those who will come after us.
Sami na Botswana ma be fufu otum no ode tugwa jo aha na de no kwese wait me here BBC Botswana ma be fufu otum wa chi ode no so etima da tugwa the man so see defense a wo ye no ye finfirman to need to oya kei na no pardon no so dom so etima ba semsonko etum na ama aba na gasa wo me so for kan chefa otum wo Castle actually the Ponigaran or the two from my abakosam no to Musia and say about to commission Ashasi as the Nizama to Doka Abba or to Aba, Damasuna, General Secretary, Adama GJ, Fifimanto, no so to some chopping in Afro. Next one Kobakama, Professor Kamila Fiji, the Otumata and Eti Pinti, President Isaac Abakan Rich K, the Badwas Papa. Head our technical room and preparation of Papa. Mame Benis, now see it show the main show. The way I want to my body be to my uncle. Camera, Adi, the main show, Ankasa, so we be around, so often, so it is a P. Mrs. Omar being up there. I prefer the vaccination. In my other money,